What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jeremy here back with another video. I just want to apologize if this video seemed very choppy. It seemed like it's not put together, and it's really not put together. So I just want to give you guys a proper intro. If you guys don't know me, my name is Jeremy. This is today this video is based off the Eibach lowering springs that I'm putting on my car. And for you guys who do know, I own a 2014 Mustang V6 3.7 liter, and I just want to give you guys the proper intro before I started the video. So please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, you know, and continue to watch my videos, because that's what I'm here for. So without further ado, let's start the video.
They come on my music and put it in captions, goddamn. Swear I've been gone a little minute, I had to go ice up my pendant. I hope they don't try me. I got some niggas that's violent, they carry more guns than lieutenants. Count up them racks, I gotta get to that bag and buy some more shit I ain't had. These phrases a pill, I gotta walk with that stick so a nigga might look with a little. Roll up some hill, bitch I be high.
This shit made my car like 50 times better, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is, oh my god.
As a blimp, I can walk on the stars and talk to the moon. They know I be hot as the first day of June. I slide in that pussy like goo in Lagoon. Ay,
oh shit, what the fuck? What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jeremy here, back with another video. Today we are finally lowering this piece of shit. We finally lowering my car. I went and brought some sport liners. I went and got those sport liners for my 2014, well, if you guys don't know, I have a 2014 Mustang V6, and we finna lower it today. So I'm kinda excited, you know what I'm saying, but I'm really just looking forward to what else I'm gonna do to the car. Lowering it is just like the first step, you know what I'm saying. It's still other things that I want to do to my car, other things that I gotta do to my car. And I'm playing this really kinda loud, I'm gonna have a fucking copyright. Fuck. Shit. But I'm gonna head to my boy Colin's shop right now. Colin finna do the shit for me, bro. Colin's one cool ass nigga, bro. Like, he always do shit to cars, shit that I don't know shit about cars, none of that shit. So he finna do this shit for me. And yesterday yesterday I installed like some shit with my tail lights too. Like, it's a lot of shit I'm doing to the car now, because you know, I was thinking about getting a 5.0, trading this car in. Upon a time ago, I was thinking about trading this young in and getting a 5.0, but I think it's best to wait. You know what I'm saying? I gotta just end up refinancing. I got a decent interest rate, you know what I'm saying, 4.2, so it's decent, but I'm just finna focus on building this car up so I can have something for a daily driver, you know, because once I get the 5.0, I'm not gonna try to eat it. I'm not gonna try to eat it like, you know what I'm saying, eat it a lot, you know, and drive it a lot, so I'm trying to make sure that value stay up. But it's cool, we passing a Ford dealership right now. As I was just talking about this shit crazy. I'm gonna just hit y'all back once I make it to my destination. If y'all didn't know, this right here is Colin. There's nothing Colin can't do. He's a certified mechanic. He just taught me some shit that I didn't even know about my fucking wheels, but say that for another story.
who knew?
Your shit finna be slammed.
What the shit about, what, like 2 inches different, probably 3 inches different, 2 or 3 inches different?
Probably like 2, man. Cause your car got a little more weight. God damn. That's crazy. Just let that shit sink in, bro.
Damn. Two down, 2 more to go. 2 more to go. The comparison. about the same, kinda.
Yeah, the front is usually what drops the most, but the rear shouldn't drop that much.
Finally done. And that bitch is lowered. It's just a little meaner, way more aggressive than it did before. That shit crazy, bro. That shit crazy. Huh?
It feels lower to the ground than it did yesterday.
Yeah, why? That shit crazy.
Maybe in the middle of next week, it's gonna be a little lower because the spring still gotta settle in.
That shit crazy.
Especially with all the blacked out cans. Well, you know what you're doing with this one. You know what you're doing.
I gotta thank y'all niggas though, cause at first I ain't know shit about cars to like, I ain't really know what I want to do with this shit, nothing until I met y'all niggas. Like, y'all niggas put me on. Oh my god, y'all, this shit made my car like 50 times better, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is, oh my god, like, the way it drives, the way it feels, like everything like completely different, like it's a whole different experience, like everything changed for me, like it's crazy, like it's just something I wasn't expecting. And I'm sorry if this video was like kind of like each like it's everywhere, but you know, I was trying to do my hardest to try to like help Colin as he was doing this, but at the same time it seemed like I was in his way, so it's kind of fucked up. But I just hated that I wasn't able to do nothing. But man, this shit was definitely worth it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm very glad this shit happened. If anybody out there, bro, if you got a V6 Mustang and you think about trading that bitch in, especially if you got a 13 or 14, bro, keep that motherfucker, like mod that motherfucker up. I'm telling you, once you mod it up, bro, shit gonna get better, I'm telling you, because I was that guy before. Like, I thought about, this shit real stiff. I thought about, like, you know what I'm saying, not keeping this car and trading it in for get a 5.0, but don't follow the hype, you know what I'm saying? The best thing you can do is keep this motherfucker, pay that motherfucker off, and then just use it as a daily driver, you know what I'm saying? So you can't beat that. Keep that motherfucker and pay it off, and I'm definitely gonna try to give y'all some shots of the car, like what it look like while driving, bro. Like, it just, oh man, I'm just so happy. Like, you don't understand, like, I feel so much different shit. Like, I feel like no wind getting under my car, like nothing, like, it just feel better, bro. Like, it's, y'all, I don't know. I'm gonna definitely show you guys what it look like on the outside while I'm driving. Gay ass nigga.
Hey, I'm finna dumb this shit all the way down. Ty, drop this shit, man. I count the back end, Turk got the Meg 10. DJ got O's, my nigga be texting. Niggas be capping, don't live what they rapping. I fuck from the back and I got the bitch tapping. Making these plays, don't call me John Madden. Her mouth wide open, you would think she was laughing. They come on my music and put it in captions. God damn, swear I been gone a little minute. I had to go ice up my pendant. I hope they don't try me. I got some niggas that's violent, they carry more guns than lieutenants. Count up them racks, I gotta get to to that bag and buy some more shit I ain't had. Be fresh as a pimp. I gotta walk with that stick so a nigga might move with a limb. Roll up some hemp. Bitch, I be high as a blimp. I can walk on the stars and talk to the moon. They know I be hot as the first day of June. I slide in that pussy like Gooey Lagoon. Ayy, I know my niggas gon' ride. If I say the words you can't run, you